Alright, so here we have the PS2 game joystick push button from Banggood. This one of two that I ordered thankfully seems to have come all in one piece. Let's see what we have in here. Alright, as you can see, pretty much the same as all of the others that are sold online. Nice responsive click, smooth motion. Let's focus on there. Not a bad solder job. Mounting holes. Not bad. I've already taken the liberty of setting up a small example on an old Arduino Mega. What I'll do is I'll just overlay or put some examples on screen of movement. Yep, as you can see, all working. Was a little bit larger than I thought it was going to be. Measuring in there at about 26 millimeters by, what is that? 34 and a half. By about 32, 33 millimeters. Not bad for the price. Gonna go well with some of the other hobbies or projects I have on the line. All right.